Santa was here?
Santa here?
The tree's on.
Yeah. It was here.
He was? How can you tell?
I saw the cookies were gone.
The cookies are gone? Oh, that light central or turn on the light. I think he left you a note.
I don't see.
It says, thanks, Jenny and Aiden. XOXO.
Mommy, Santa couldn't finish the rest of that.
Oh, he must have been full.
Look at my stocking. It's huge. There is still stuff in there.
Do you want to do your stocking first, Aiden?
Mom, can you take my stocking off the hook so I can
Sure, I'm on your brother just squish the cookie.
squish the cookie? Oh, he's eating the last one for Santa's. I think it was so full. Look, Daddy, Aiden got a new truck.
What?
It's a yellow one.
Aiden, you get a truck?
Truck?
Aiden, what do you get?
Karen got that for you. No, I don't care.
He does. He just wants to play with something.
What?
Whoa. That, Aiden.
Truck.
Got trucks.
Aiden loves this. Daddy, Aiden got this.
Oh, look, he's got his turtle. Got your turtle.
Guys,
Look.
look, Mommy, Aiden got something.
Yes, look, it's little cars. He's got lots of cars this year. Look at that. Ooh, Aiden, look.
Oh. Is that a Lego?
It's a Clippo.
What do you got, Jen?
We need entertainment. Playing with toys going on. Who is that from?
CB cup for
Oh, I think that might have been for Aiden.
What is it, Jen?
It's a real cowgirl hat.
Wow.
Hi, quite won't fit.
It's because your headband's in, silly.
Oh. Wait, better.
Look, Aiden got a
Wow.
racetrack.
A racetrack.
Yeah.
You look awesome, buddy.
That's all your cars go in, huh? I think
What are
five.
those?
You use that for like
Books.
for a 5-year-old.
Another
Whoa, puzzles and mazes. What's another one? Let's see.
Who are those from, Jenny?
I don't know.
We'll read the paper. What's it
You want
say
to read
here?
the book with me, Aiden?
Here. What does it say?
Come on,
who
we'll
it's
read the book.
from? This is on here. Those are from Mama and Papa. Unbelievable. Wow.
What's on the next page?
They do not want you getting your My Little Pony
What's on
out.
the next page?
Right, seriously.
Yes, they do. Just got a little bit stuck.
I'll say.
Whoa.
But they do want you to get it out.
That's
Because it's playable.
Look here, there's a flower. Alright, let's get down.
Hannah loves many presents.
those from
You wanna
Auntie
get
Karen. What are those?
What are you trying to do? Yeah? There we go. You know, wear the hat. Wear the reindeer hat.
I don't know what
You might need
it
help,
was.
Daddy.
Hang on, let's see. Let's get them open here. Wow, that's a good box I got. All right, pull it open. Let's see what's in there. Oh, new pink cowgirl boots and a cowgirl shirt. You want to put this on?
No.
You sure?
Here.
All right.
Ew.
Guys, watch out.
attention.
Good boy.
Start it up.
Hey Jenny, do you have a shirt that says Canada on it, like this one?
Yes, but it's not red.
Mm-hmm.
It's white.
Yeah.
I got it.
I bought that the same time I bought this one.
Pretty.